I have disabled the Bluetooth functionality, so the only way I can open this after if I activate the lock and key in a simple code I created. So I'll activate the lock and then I'll key 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. It opens. That's nice. I could then have taken out my key and I'll then lock it again. And it sounds like there's a lock and click, but when I try to open, I can easily open it. So the locking function is simply not working on the lock, and I've tried everything, including setting in a new battery. So what to do? This lock here is 1 week old. Not good.